Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Eman. I am very excited about today's video, you guys, because we are talking all about CBD products. I'm sure you guys have noticed that CBD has been popping up everywhere recently, and I really wanted to do this video because I feel like there isn't a ton of great information out there. I got into CBD a lot more this year. I was new to it, but since we've been spending so much more time at home and I've been doing a lot of at-home self-care routines, one of the biggest changes that I've been doing is adding CBD products into my skincare, and it has been a game changer. Today, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys everything you need to know about CBD, what to look for, which products are my favorites, how to use them. And today's sponsor is a brand that I absolutely love. Laura Jones has been on the forefront of the CBD movement for years, and it is one of my favorite brands. There's so much misinformation out there, so I really hope this video gives you guys guidance and clarifies what you should be looking for when you're looking for high quality CBD products. Okay, before I get into which products I love, I want to talk to you guys about a few things you should always look for when you are looking at CBD products to make sure that they are high quality and legitimate. First thing is you want to make sure that the product undergoes third-party testing. A trusted, high-quality, best-in-class CBD product like Laura Jones undergoes extensive third-party testing. The products are tested for microbiological contaminants, residual solvents, heavy metals, and pesticides. So third-party testing is very important. The second thing you want to look for is the COA. So basically, a COA is a certificate of analysis that breaks down the exact amount of CBD that claims to be on the front of the package. This is really important, one of the main things to look for, because if it says that there's 1,000 milligrams of CBD on the package, you want to make sure that there's actually 1,000 milligrams in the product. The other thing you want to look for is the lot code. So every batch of Laura Jones CBD extract, as well as their finished goods, are tested and traceable on their site with a lot code. This lot code allows you to go and review the product's COA, the certificate of analysis. If you're considering buying a CBD product, you want to make sure that the COA is available to review through the lot code. All right, guys, let's get into some products. So I'm going to be talking about 3 products that have been kind of game changers for me. And as I mentioned, I've been doing a lot more self-care routines at home because we're spending a lot of time at home, you guys. So these products have been essentials in my skincare. Let's start with the body. First up is the Laura Jones CBD Body Lotion. And one of the reasons I love Laura Jones is because they are high quality, legitimate CBD products. So I trust their products. This body lotion has been my go-to. I love using this after a long work day. I love rubbing it into my shoulders as a shoulder rub, or if I've been on my computer all day and my shoulders are just tense, I love to massage it into my shoulders. It soothes and calms, and it gives this really nice cooling sensation. I'll use it as elbow cream. I'll use it all over, really, on my hands. I also love to use it on my feet. This product is actually a cult favorite because this is the very first CBD product to ever launch in Sephora in 2018, and it became really popular because celebrity stylists were using it on their clients, on their feet, before they put heels on and before they walked out onto the red carpet. So a great tip is to put it on your feet if you're going to be standing all day, or if you're working from home, just keep it by your desk so you can rub it in at any time. For my face, I discovered this moisturizer this year. This is the Laura Jones Acid Mantle Repair CBD Moisturizer. When I first got this, I had no idea what the acid mantle was. So I had to do some research to look it up. Essentially what it is, it's that delicate barrier that keeps your skin from harm. So it keeps all the good stuff in and leaves all the bad stuff out, like bacteria, things from the environment. But what can happen is that when we over cleanse, over exfoliate. It can make our acid mantle go out of whack. So this product is amazing for rebalancing your stressed skin, especially right now when we're wearing masks all the time, which can cause a lot of stress on your skin, or if we're in front of our computers and just all that UV and blue light also affects your skin a lot. So this is a great product to reset, rebalance your skin from all of the wear and tear that we get from daily life. It contains 250 milligrams of CBD per jar. Each jar comes with a cute little golden spoon, which I love to keep in the freezer, and you can use this to massage the product into your skin. I love this for depuffing. I've tested this moisturizer in so many different ways. I love using it for day or night because it's rich and creamy, but it's not heavy. It's actually kind of light. So it also works amazing under makeup. It's good for all skin types. So this can definitely be your go-to moisturizer that you use for any occasion, any time of the year. Since we're putting these products all over our skin, onto our face, another very important thing you want to look for is where the hemp is coming from. You want to look for CBD products that use hemp that comes from the US. And the last product, you guys, is probably, I want to say my favorite, but I don't know, because I really love the other two as well. But it is the Lord Jones Royal Oil. This contains 1,000 milligrams of CBD. This is a super powered face oil that is made from just 2 ingredients: broad spectrum hemp-derived CBD extract and pure grapeseed oil. After you apply your moisturizer all over your face, you're going to take a few drops of the oil and apply it to your face to lock in hydration. But another way that I love using this is you can use this as a booster. So you can drop a few drops of this into any of your existing skincare products to give it a boost of CBD. You could drop it into your serum. And one thing I love to do is use a few drops into my foundation to boost it with CBD. So those are my favorites, you guys. And like I said, after a long day and if I need a moment of zen, these are the products that I've been turning to, especially now. I feel like we need a little self-care in our life. Hopefully all these tips will help you guys have all the information you need to know when you're looking at CBD products. Thank you again to Lord Jones for sponsoring this video. If you guys have any questions about anything I mentioned or about CBD, please leave them for me in the comments. I will try my best to answer them. And for more information about all of the Lord Jones products I mentioned today, go to lordjones.com, and to shop them, you could also go to the links in my description. I really love sharing all this info with you. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you let me know. And I will see you guys in my next video next week.